finger on the trigger. Don't point it at your foot. You're gonna blow your foot off.
Asa.
I didn't even get it.
Okay. This should be in the middle of that little circle. Hold on. Are you on safety? Are you on safe?
Yeah.
Yeah. That little thing in the middle needs to be in the middle of that circle.
Oh.
Right at the white.
Okay.
Go for it. Lean forward. Don't keep bringing it down. Don't keep bringing it down. Shoot, boom. Fix the sight, boom.
Okay.
Fix the sight, boom. You came close. Lean forward. No.
No?
You're right. Just like that, lean forward. Lean forward. There you go. Keep going. Don't look up. You use the sight to aim, not your eyes. Lean forward. Finger off the trigger.
Heavy.
I know. Okay, put it on safe. Pause it. Did you record it all? Are you sure?
Yes, but